The Little Bunny and the Magical Journey. There was something magical in the air that golden morning. The sky was as soft and blue as a cozy blanket, and a gentle breeze danced across the golden fields of the farm. In the midst of this enchanting scene, a little bunny opened his bright eyes, sensing that something special was about to happen. As he stretched his tiny paws and hopped out of his warm burrow, he noticed a colorful shadow gliding across the sky. His ears perked up with curiosity as he saw a giant hot air balloon slowly descending over the rolling hills. It was mesmerizing, like a piece of the rainbow had decided to float through the sky. Driven by his adventurous spirit, the bunny bounced through the meadow, feeling the soft grass beneath his paws. He wanted to see this floating wonder up close. As he got closer, he saw Sophie, a young explorer, guiding the balloon with skill and a twinkle in her eye. She had traveled to distant cities, soared over winding rivers, and seen magical forests from above. Sophie noticed the excitement in the little bunny's eyes and smiled. "Would you like to see the world from a different view?" she asked kindly. The bunny hesitated for a moment. He had never been so high before, but curiosity won over fear, and he gently hopped into the balloon's basket. As they rose higher, the farm below became a tiny world in miniature. The red barn looked like a little toy house, and the animals grazing in the fields appeared like tiny moving figurines in a magical scene. The wind blew softly, carrying the scent of wildflowers and freshly harvested hay. From above, the bunny could see beyond the rolling hills, where streams shimmered like silver ribbons and tiny houses dotted the landscape. For a moment, a stronger breeze made the balloon sway, and the little bunny held onto the basket tightly. Sophie chuckled gently. "The wind likes to play sometimes," she said, calming the small traveler. Soon, the balloon floated smoothly again, and the bunny relaxed, feeling like part of this magical dance in the sky. After some time, the balloon slowly began to descend. Back on solid ground, the little bunny felt his heart overflow with joy and gratitude. With a warm smile, Sophie gave him a small, colorful scarf, a keepsake from his magical journey that he would cherish forever. As he returned to his burrow, he curled up in his soft bed of hay, still feeling the fresh breeze on his fur and dreaming of new adventures. The world was vast and full of wonders, and he knew there were many discoveries yet to come. And so, as night fell and the stars twinkled gently in the sky, the little bunny closed his eyes, lulled by the memory of his journey through the skies. Now it's time for you to rest too and dream of wonderful adventures. Good night, little dreamers. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more magical bedtime tales.